How to hide followers on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can hide followers on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to hide followers on Facebook, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Facebook app. There are two ways on how you can do this. Either you can make your whole account private or you can hide your specific following. So to make your whole account private, you can tap the profile icon from the top left to come to the profile page. Tap the three dots option here. Tap on the option called lock profile. In my case it is already locked, so I'm finding on lock profile, but you will find the lock profile option. Now if you want, you can go ahead and then lock your profile and other people won't be able to view anything of yours. But let's just say that you only want to view the followers and following things. So for that, what you want to do is first come to the home page, tap the three lines option there, then tap the gear icon to come to this page. Once you're here, you can simply scroll down, look for followers and public content, and then make sure to tap on it. Once you tap on it, here you can see who can follow me. You can set this to wherever you want, and who can see your followers on your timeline. So if you want to hide it, you can just set this to only me, so that other people won't be able to see your followers on the timeline. This way you'll be able to hide followers on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.